5 things people forget about when addressing constipation. Hi, I'm Acacia. I'm a registered dietitian, microbiome educator, and the chief scientific officer at Silver Fern Brand. Number 1, we have low stomach acid. Stomach acid is really important to help us digest our food and also to kill off any unwanted microbes in our food and water. Number 2, lubrication. It's important to make sure that you're well hydrated and that your body is producing enough bile because this can help lubricate the intestines. When the intestines are too dry, you're going to have issues with constipation. That's why I'm joining you from this very real desert that is definitely not a green screen. Number 3, microbial imbalances. Sometimes there are microbes taking over your gut microbiome that are slowing down your gut motility so they can have a little party at your expense. Number 4, inflammation. It would be difficult for you to do your job if your entire office was on fire. So do your body a solid and help reduce the inflammation. Number 5, stress and anxiety. If you feel like you're always stuck in fight or flight, aka survival mode, then you're going to have issues with your digestion. This is why it's so important to engage in somatic practices that help us get back into our body, like breathing, body scans, dancing, really anything that can help you regulate your nervous system. This is why I built our protocols in a top-down approach to address all of these issues. You can access them for free on our website or in the link in our profile.